Hello guys! In this video, you will learn how you can find your URL link on YouTube app. So now right here on your YouTube app, you can see at the bottom your profile. Just tap on that. It will then direct you here. After that, you can see right here, View Channel. Just tap on that. Now right here on your YouTube channel, you can see at the top these three dots. Just tap on that. It will then direct you to your channel settings. And as you can see right here, channel URL. So you can just tap on this icon to copy the URL. You can now share this to your Facebook friends, on your messengers, and to anyone. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!